Hello everyone! Every time we want to take a screenshot, we press these two buttons together. But what if I told you that you can add a screenshot button right to your iPhone? Let me show you. First, open the Shortcuts app and tap the plus icon in the top right corner to create a new shortcut. Now tap Search Actions, type Take, and select Take Screenshot. We're not done yet. Tap Search Actions again, type Save To, and choose Save to Photos. This makes sure every screenshot you take is automatically saved to your Photos app. Now let's customize it. Tap the little down arrow at the top and rename the shortcut to Screenshot. Tap the down arrow again and choose Add to Home Screen. From here, you can customize the icon however you like. Apple already has a screenshot style symbol you can use, or you can even choose your own photo from your photo library. Once you're happy with it, tap Done and the shortcut will be added to your home screen. Now watch this. I tap the icon and boom, a screenshot is taken instantly. But here's an even better way to use it. If your iPhone has the Action button, you can assign this shortcut to it. Mine doesn't. That's it. Now you can take a screenshot with a single tap, even while your iPhone is locked. No need to press the two side buttons anymore. If you found this iPhone tip helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more useful iPhone tricks, and share it with someone who needs to see it. I'll catch you in the next one.